Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट पेपर 2023 दिसंबर पेपर एनालिसिस. Match the items in two columns. Schedules of the constitution is related to. Schedules of the constitution is related to. C. Schedule 1 is related to state and UTI. Schedule 2 is related to salaries of the president and others, diagnostics. Schedule 6 is related to the administrations of tribe areas in the state of the Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Schedule 4 is related to the D sheets in the Rajya Sabha and for the UTI. So C is correct. Pub 8 theories, concept and thinkers. List 1 or list 2? D. Functional foremanship. Functional foremanship is related to the F.W. Taylor's. Innovation in entrepreneurship is related to the Peter Drucker. Regional legal authority is related to the Max Weber, or John of the Indifferent is related to the Chester Bernard. So D is correct. Approach to the comparative politics and political scientist. Lucian P is related to Mass third. D. Lucian P is related to Lucian P is development synchronized. Devin Easton is related to C. Black box. Huntington is related to Babes of the Democratic, and Seymour Martin. Lipset is related to the political meme. Which is correct about the Plato, Socrates and Aristotle? D. Socrates was teacher of the Plato and who was the teacher of the Aristotle. Which of those books are not and written by the Aristotle? C. Laws. Which of those is not the associated with Pluto? 6. D. Existentialism. Existentialism. Question number 2. Which of those is not correct about ideas of good giving by Pluto? D. Protecting rights of the individuals leads to the common goods of the society. Which of the following does not belongs to the liberalism? Liberalism is related to Louis Althusser. In which case the Supreme Court stated the preambles cannot be considered as part of the Constitution? C. Berubari case. Feminist thinker and books. Feminist thinker and book is related to Mary Wollstonecraft. is related to a vindications of right of man. Simon Day behavior is related to the second sex. Suleiman Firestone is related to dialectic of sex. Kate Millett is related to the sexual politics. Who among the following is created to have giving the feminist slogans personal is political? A. Carol Hannes. Which of the following had first used the dialectic method? Is related to D. Socrates. Who among the following is not one of the important thinkers adopting normative approach? Karl Popper. Who among the following is not one of the important theorist of the political pluralism? C. Michael Sandel. Which is not correct about the behavioralism in political science? A. It became prominent during 1970. What was the domain of the political theory? B. Questioning the validity of the normalizing political theories by the thinkers of the behavioralism and logical positivism in the mid of the 20th century. Who explained liberty as the trading relation between the agent, consultant and purpose, that is, X is constrained by the Y to do or BZ. C. Gerard M.C. Kellam. Which famous case in SC gave the basic structure doctrine? D. Keshwanand Bharti case. Match the item into columns. Landmark, case or effect? B. Subhas Kumar B. State of the Bihar is related to the right to political fee event. Olga Telles Bell Bombay Municipal Corporate is related to right to shelters. Shah Banu case is related to the government nullifying SC verdict on the women's right. Indra Shahani case is related to the creamy layers policy.